Kyle, just know everyone's watching you right now.
With this. Alright, oh yeah? What's up, buddy?
And then I was just asking.
Oh yeah, we need some.
So as one of the heads of SAR, do you think we're going to be doing more brand deals?
I have no idea. This one fell in our lap.
Yeah, and then we're also taking a Corvette like this that has original body that we restored like you would if you're going to go.
That's a cool story. That's almost like.
And it has a completely modern
Still life
motor in it that's
vibes.
completely computerized.
Yeah.
And getting to learn the computer stuff can be kind of tricky. But when you get it, they run so nice.
Yeah.
They monitor the fuel so well, the emissions so well that they're a lot cleaner.
Yeah.
And that's
probably
an important
plug
part.
in and just tune it.
Yep, and of course your performance, but
Yeah.
in order to get that performance and relate that to the road, you have to have the good brakes and the modern suspension and everything else.
Yeah.
And that's what this car has under it, is a modern chassis.
Oh, no one has done this one.
Yeah, that would work with a shoe, right? And then just like.
Yeah, perfect. Or you could do. And then I could sit there. That's a good one. I like that one.
You want hand over or no hand over? Yeah.
No hand over. And then you go.
Look, you're the natural. You.
She's got the rhythm, I don't have
Yeah.
really excited, and then do that, and then stop.
Yeah.
And then when I start the boot, maybe.
I'm laughing, but mine was no better. Mine was horrible.
It's the best day ever. Yeah, that was really good.
I really hope that in Dave's background they just get him doing all the motions.
During his interview.
Yeah.
Okay, one more, but look at the camera.
Look at the
like
camera?
that. Yeah.
Okay.
Instead of.
Don't look at me, I don't.
She doesn't
It's
exist.
like you're like to the camera. La,
Okay.
La la la. Okay. Ready? Action. Okay. One more. Think on your head. I'll sing it for you.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Camera.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You're so excited.
Excellent. Perfect. No,
Great work.
awesome.
You did it.
Yes.
You're gonna be a star, I can feel it.
Sure.
Yeah. I mean, everyone here.
I don't mind the structure because it looks like bullet holes. It looks like something fell through it, broke through it.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't linger on it too much.
Well,
I like how cool it looks. I might not do this for stills unless it was already done stills.
Oh, and this is Brad. This is
Hey, yo, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Brad.
Brad. Once we're done with this, and then get one more shot. He's going to be painting. Oh, great. Yeah. Yeah.
It's like a movie here now.
That was a good call on the rear three-quarter shot. It looks cool. I like that part of it.
It's got a whole lot of body line going on.
Yeah.
I was gonna do it with no one in there, but now I'm kind of seeing like I didn't really know what to expect, but now I get it after he does one. It's like it's gonna be hard to tell when he does another coat, right?
Right.
Yeah. So I may not do the whole thing. I might just keep it with this.
Not verbatim, but your take on it.
Yeah, I'd like the on-camera flash with like a little flippy vibe.
Nice that we're shooting a place with a bunch of handy guys, huh?
Yeah. It's like, we're tap into the machine.
They'll give you the invoice later.